Hey everybody! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload music from your mobile phone to your Spotify. So you can use this method to listen to music from your mobile phone that you have on your phone on Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, download the Spotify app if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to register or create a new account or log into your existing account depending if you already have an account. So after doing that, we want to enter the application, as I'm going to do now. Here guys, I'm going to home page. This is the page that you will be greeted by when you enter the application. You see, this is the main home page where all your music is. So guys, now if you want to listen to music from your local storage on your mobile phone, on your Spotify app, this is how you do it. First, go to the in the upper right corner. You will see a wheels picture of a wheel. We want to enter this to enter the settings of the Spotify app. So go ahead and click on that to enter the settings. As you can see here, guys, these are the settings that will be opened. It may look a little different to you depending on what version of Spotify you use, but it's all the same. Just scroll down until you find the option that we need. So guys, after entering the settings, the next option that we want to do is scroll down so we can find the option that we need. So go ahead and scroll down all the way down till we find the logout button. Now don't click on the logout button, that's not what we need. A little above, after we have scroll back up and you will find the option called the local files. Here guys, this is the local files option that we need to listen to music that is on our mobile phone. So go ahead, and if this isn't already checked, if this is like this, you want to check this option so it can be green, and now this guys has checked the option for you to listen to music from your mobile phone. So now you want to go back, go to your homepage and go to your library, click on your library, and guys, now you will see a folder that's called local files. This is the folder that is of your local music on your mobile phone. Now guys, go click ahead and click on the local files, and here is all the music that we have from our mobile phone that we have downloaded on our phone. So go ahead and add any of the songs to your playlist or do whatever you want with them. It's just like normal music. So now guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a subscribe and a like on the video, and I will see you in the next video. So guys, take care and bye.